Hey everyone, I got a mystery. It drives me crazy. I can't figure it out. Let me show you. Storm door. I got this thing shimmed out really far. Now, every time I close my inside door, this thing will pop out. Okay? So shut it. We're going to lock it. Shaking the door. Sorry. It doesn't open. Okay. So let's test it. It's locked. How is that? Is it still locked? And it unlocked it at the same time. I had the latch down. Shut down. This is pissing me off because I can't figure out why. Remember, I shut the door and I locked the thing down. Staying this time. But it unlocked it. How? How is that unlocking when I shut this inside door? I pushed it down. This is bullshit. I could play this game all day long. It's locked. It unlocked it. Every time I close this doorknob is nowhere near that latch. It's above it. It actually closes up here. So how is it unlocking that latch when I close this door? Dang. Have you had this problem before? Because this is pissing me off. Okay, let's see if we can outsmart this. See, it's unlocked, up, locked, down. Let's put some tape on it. I swear this door is possessed. Alright, shut, locked, taped. And it's unlocked. Swear to God. How is that possible? This is a brand new latch. I just want the dumb door to stay shut so the wind don't rip the door off. Ugh. Duct tape the door shut. And it unlocked it again. You have this problem. Okay, let's put a little tape on the door frame. Now mind you, I'm not playing with you. This is what I've been dealing with. Close the door. And the son of a pain in the ass. Nothing holds this door. I give up. I guess I'm just going to have to make another shim to pull this thing further back. So let me show you out here. It's probably the reason as to why. So when I leave, I have to shut it. Look at the gap. Now, you can't just replace this stupid door because it's part of the inside door. It's $1,000 for this dumb door. I don't know what to do. I know during all these storms, this trailer frame is racked. And it's racked at the door frame. But I've shimmed this stupid ass latch in here quite a bit. I got 1, 2 shims. Evidently, I need to bring this thing out further. Cat, stay away from the door. I'm just trying to keep my house secure. Shut. Latch. Light out. And shut the damn door. But every time I open it, I don't know what to do. If I could rig it to where, see even the gap up there. This door is stupid. Screw it for now. Let me know in the comments if you have this problem, because it pisses me off. See you next time.